Hello everybody, today I'm going to do unboxing of my new shelves. So this is, as you all know, that this is a art and craft and kids activities channel. So I needed badly these shelves. So I think you can organize anything. You can put any holder, any pencil box or any holder you can put, and you can put your perfumes in it. And let's open it. So this is very useful, and you can buy it from Daraz, as I have already bought it from Daraz. I will put the link in the description box and in the comments. If you want to buy, you can buy it from from Daraz website. So, and they have app as well, you can download it. So it was a huge box, so it takes time to open it, and they have got a lot of tapes, and we have to you need a cutter to cut them and take it off. So while I was cutting these tapes and this plastic coating, I was thinking like it's giving the perfect ASMR sound, unboxing sounds. So I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna post it to the channel. So let's open it. So first I thought I should make DIY shelf, but with 3 kids it was like really difficult to make it. So I ordered it. So here it is in front of you, and after removing this cardboard you can see this is a huge shelf. And I saw some crack in the middle, I'll show you. And then it was like fine, it was not too big, and it was like not breaking the shelf, so I just placed it on the wall. So let's take it out. And all the shelf had the some coating, some sticker coating, blue coating on it, and I removed that. And now you can see, and here is the little crack you can see, and I also gave review about it. And okay, now let's paste it on the wall. So you can see I have put it on the table, and now I'm gonna paste it on the wall with the help of nails. So this shelf had 2 holes in the corners, and in one in upper corner and one is the lower one is on the lower one. So you can see this is the blue coating, the perfect ASMR. And I have removed all these sticker coating and the blue color. Now you can see the complete look. You can put all the perfumes, all the stationery items of your kids, and if you are like a beautician, or you can put all your makeup items on it, and you can even put your books on it. So here I am like about to put the cup of the pencils. This is a pencil holder basically, and you can see I'm putting the kids things and my art and craft things. And this is basically for organizing the stationery items. So let's put everything back. You can also put the decorative cups and decorative mini flower plants, and this shelf will look more even beautiful. So I have put my perfumes and my other things, and also my little tripod. And now I'm gonna put some more things, and I'm gonna show you the final look of this shelf. So I wanted to put this cute decorative item on this shelf, but it was like bigger, so I left it. So you put your things, your hairbrush, your Vaseline, and your markers, your pencils, and everything, so they will not look bad. And otherwise, it's like if you put in any other shelf, on in any other box, it will look so messy, but here on this shelf it will look good. You can also organize your skincare products and all your holders on it. So I'm almost done, and this is the final and complete look. You can change the things as much as you want. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.